Today we come down to Crawfordsville, Indiana, and this is Sugar Creek that's behind me. It's one of the places that I've heard was renowned for smallmouth around Indiana, and we're going to do a creek walk. We're going to stay the night, ask some questions. We're going to try to break this creek down over the next couple days. This is super clear, and earlier we kind of stopped up there by the Eel River, but it was just the Wabash is nasty looking, a lot of rain up north, so I'm gonna come back and hit that video another day. But we're gonna do the Sugar Creek because we're here and it's looking good. We will get started. The smallmouth is literally right here in front of me. I need to get it down further stream there. It's going to come in there. It needs to look like it's floating. I see them back there. There's smallmouth in there. Right there where I'm at is where they're at. Might need a longer lead or something. Ugh. We just crossed each other up. That is your first smallmouth.
I can't get this.
Sugar Creek Smallie. He's good looking. He's a good looking guy right there. All pound and a half, babe. Good job. There he goes back to his little rock haunt. It's right there where I told you he was going to be with. And so what you've seen happen was the current break of that big rock right there. You see how the water flows around it and forms the eddy. They're going to come back in there again. You did a good job. And we're just fishing around that little rock. She just got that one smallmouth right off that little rock eddy there. And this is at the off the Lafayette Drive canoe access, and you can walk up this way. So we just got here today. This is late evening. We're gonna go out and get something to eat, get a hotel, and then we're gonna hit it again tomorrow. All right, day 2 back down here. We got here last night. This is Crawfordsville that we're in, Indiana. They got Sugar Creek. It's a very beautiful creek. I did a lot of studying in this creek yesterday. Looked at some access points, and right now we are back down here, Creekside Lounge. Good food, awesome scenery, man. The creek flows. So here we are. We're going to do Sugar Creek. We're going to do a creek walk up through here, and if we get into something, if not, so we could try this little pool. But we're going to move our way all the way up here, and apparently there's a spillway up there past that and a dam. So we're gonna get at it. We're gonna hit it. Yeah. What is that right there? All right, we're gonna start out and work separate pools. She's gonna work down there a little bit, but here you got some current, and down here it gets into some faster current. But you have some current breaks in here, some big smallmouth that hang out in this creek. I'm gonna throw this 4.5-inch tube. That's what I'm gonna start with. We got some things lined up. I brought some extra poles with me on this trip. So far, all we gotta go on is the hit she got yesterday. I need to be a little better through stream. And we'll further downstream. We got a little pool here. I'm gonna try to aim that. We done scared away all the catfish. Shit, throw if I've ever seen one. I was talking to myself about my shit throw. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, well, my finger is now like, it's gonna smell like garlic for the next 10 years. I'm putting some JJ's Magic on these claws to see if it helps change anything up. And this, it says open slowly, it's under pressure. Here we go, further down by the dam. Got a little eddy here. We have seen them in the holes, but we have not been able to catch anything yet since yesterday. All right, I'm gonna whack it rig this. It's a pretty good representation how you got the bubbles coming in, the foam, and then it swirls back on itself, and this is an eddy. So this is gonna form naturally a little bit of a hole in which you can't see it, and then the fish are very, very stealthy at hiding down in that. All right, I flipped over to a bitsy flip jig. Crawler trailer on it, and we've hit another little eddy. We are almost up to the dam. We are running out of time. We need to get up to the spillway there. There's a lot of good little pools like this to fish. You can see them in it. But we've just not been able to land nothing yet. Give you a look at the bitsy flip here. I've cut down one of the trailers way down. Alright. Well, gonna try up here. We're getting closer to the spillway.
This is mainly a current right here.
Mm-hmm.
It comes all the way out here to a sandy pond. And it's deep out in that area there.
Yeah, I might run that crawler through there too. Yeah, got into one with that crawler on a bitsy flip. Yeah, I felt it. I was trying to turn the camera on at the same time.
I told you.
He's a good size. He's a good sized dude.
Yep, I told you. Yep.
Oh, you little bastard.
Yeah.
Right there, but I got a good look at him, man. He was at least 2 pounds. He's a good size. Good size smallmouth.
Yep.
All right, so we know they're hitting on jig and crawler.
It being August right now, there wasn't like the...
Yeah. Well, that's a good tip. I mean, it's helped me narrow it down here. You were new to the area, so that's a... I'm really sure what you're gonna find. Sugar Creek, yeah you are. You're gonna find this sand. This is nice stuff here. It's a beautiful creek. This is further down, but before it gets to Turkey Run. Well, we are in the water now at Davis Bridge. This would be an eastern look towards it. The access. It's very beautiful.
So tell me about your day so far.
Well, day's been a little gangly. We've found some areas and we fished some areas. We got into a few of them. They haven't been abundant. We haven't had abundant bites, but we've gotten a few. And we're still looking.